Hi, today I'm running the REALME 11 Pro and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first, let's open the Gmail app, tap on the right upper corner, and to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device. To do that, click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account, click on the right upper corner to these three dots, tap to remove account, confirm your action, are you sure, okay, verify if it's you if you use some protect methods. Now in Google account settings, we just successfully log out from the Google account, so let's go back to the Gmail application. Now we could see that we just successfully log out from Gmail app. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.